Hi, Todd VanDenburg here with VanDenburg Capital Management and another Uncommon Sense update. So as you may have noticed over the last week, the stock market in general has taken a bit of a tumble. It's, the Dow about a week ago was coming up on 27,000, and right now it's just a bit above 26,000. So it was like an 800 or 900 point move in the Dow to the downside. Now, we don't like when the Dow does that or when the stock market does it in general, but what we look to is, what does the data say? Is there any mathematical indicator, any fundamental indication that our economy or the market in general is ready to collapse? So the short answer is no. We don't see anything that says the stock market is going to collapse. These kinds of corrections happen, and they happen for lots of reasons. Sometimes they're fear of the future. Sometimes a piece of data comes out that gets people concerned. And so we see these things happen. But we do see at the same time that earnings in the S&P 500 and other publicly traded companies are in the third quarter likely to be up about 20%. So that's not a bad thing. We don't see any issues with employment. As a matter of fact, the employment rate is as low as it's been in almost 50 years. There's plenty of jobs available for people who want to work. So the unemployment rate could actually continue to go down a little. That itself does give us a little room for concern, because when there aren't enough people to fill the jobs available, that causes wages to rise. And if they rise too quickly, that can cause some inflationary issues. But nothing that we're concerned about at this minute. Wages are continuing to go up, but not nearly fast enough to cause any concern for the broader economy. Again, earnings on the S&P 500 for the third quarter are expected to be up about 20%. So, these short-term corrections happen. They will continue to happen, but we're going to follow it really closely, and we think you should too. So if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us. We're always here. That was your update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like, give us a share. We certainly appreciate it. And I'll be back next week with another Uncommon Sense update.